How are you? I'm waiting for you in Antivi. Aku kangen. Tamu gimana? Yeah, come fast. I'm waiting. Yeah. Okay. I'll call you later. I have to go for work. Yeah. Bye. Hello everyone. This is Shivan Narang, and now I'm going to take you to chit chat with my Himalaya friends. And let's go. Let's ask them their experience. How are they feeling? What are they thinking? And let's see. And I'm sure this show will be really a big hit, and it's a surprise for you. So we are going to VIP rooms, as you know, we are like VIPs. So let's go. Let's give them a surprise. Knock. Assalamu alaikum. We don't knock. Come in. It's a surprise. So first we're going to meet my very old friend from Veera and from Thapki, Ankit Batla. Hello, brother. So excited for Himalaya
Very, very excited for Himalaya.
and excited for this surprise which you guys are gonna give.
Yes, so the surprise is on the 7th of May, which is a Sunday. That is the launch show for Chinta Dipankwan Himalaya.
And tell them to watch it.
Yes, please watch it. I guess it's called Nantanya, right?
So it's on 7th May, Sunday, and only on Antive Kren. So let's go and find. Yeah, where's this guy? Who's this guy? Yeah, who's this guy? Who's our director running? So let's go somewhere else. And yeah, we forgot. We're so excited that. Tell us a little about your character.
So my character is called Jakir, and he is in love with Sara, and they're about to get married. But due to some circumstances, which you will see in the show, Sara gets married to Shakti. And that's when, of course, he doesn't want to lose his love. So Jakir fights Shakti. But later you will know that, there is a beautiful change in the character which will happen. So
Just like this. And one more thing. We have heard that, you're very expert in Bahasa. And people are asking, are you born in Indonesia? Is it true?
No, I'm not born in Indonesia, but my fans love me so much. So I'm trying to learn Bahasa.
And you loving Indonesia and Indonesian food?
I love Indonesian food. Gado-gado is one of my favorites.
People saying that you keep posting and they love it. And can you do it once?
Do what?
Like how you do it? Hello guys.
So it's
like the anchor tone.
Okay, so it is Salamat Sore, Indonesia. Thank you for all your love, and keep watching us and watch Chinta Dipankwan Himalaya. Nantanya. Thank you.
All the best, Ankit, and we'll take a leave. Thank you. Let's go. Let's go and find some other Himalaya artist. Maybe Shakti, Radhika, maybe some other people. Let's go to the makeup room and give you the makeup room stories. As you can see, it's really very busy, and let's. Which Vishal. Is this Vishal?
I'm his younger brother.
So one more friend from India, Vishal, and we'll give you a surprise later. But today we're gonna ask about Himalaya. So I know you're not in Himalaya, but what are your feet?
Someone who's in Himalaya and who's right here.
So he's my bodybuilding friend from Himalaya, Mrunal Jain. Mrunal, welcome to Indonesia. Vishal, welcome to Indonesia.
Thank you so much.
And yes, and on 7th May your show is launching.
Yes.
And everybody is waiting to see your muscles and your power. So
Chinta Dipankwan Himalaya starting from 7th of May at
tell me about how was the experience?
The experience.
You guys were shooting in Nepal.
Yeah, we were shooting in Nepal, we were shooting in Pokhara, we were shooting in Kathmandu.
Wonderful places. I guess it's in Antivi they are exploring Nepal for the first time.
Yeah, and the best part is that the whole it was a work come pleasure trip. because
More of pleasure, less of work, or more of work, less of
work has
pleasure?
always been a priority and work should be priority. Pleasure is just the
Pleasure we talk about later, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not in the show. I've seen the promos, and promos are looking amazing. So guys, please don't forget to watch the show because it's going to be amazing, right?
So guys, this...
We have a surprise for you.
Yeah, we have a surprise also, and I guess it's like a big opportunity to watch all the Indian artists, all your favorite shows. Uttaran, Gopi, Veera, yeah, I'm here with you since a long time, and Shakti, Radhika, you met Ankit also, Digangna is also there. So please watch.
Chinta the Pangwan Himalaya show starting from 7th of May.
Yups, and we have a big surprise for you. Let's go. And you haven't met Sweetie yet. This is Sweetie, Mrinal's beautiful wife. Come here, Mrinal Jain. Yes, so this is a beautiful couple. Please you also wish luck for our show.
Good luck to the show.
Please.
What is it?
Himalaya.
Himalaya.
So she's learning Bahasa, and yeah, she's coming to it. Okay, we'll move and keep watching On TV Karen. Let's come. Yep. Hello. This is a beautiful staff from On TV. Very nice, very cooperative. Mind your steps. Okay, let's left. Sometimes to do the right things, you have to take a left. Assalamu alaikum. So we are looking for some gossip stories here. Is it any? Yes. Hello. Is this Radhika? Hi Radhika. Leave it. You want to see her like this? So this is Radhika Madan with her coffee, looking beautiful as she is.
Thank you. Hi.
Radhika, belated happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Let me just you keep doing it. Yeah.
This is.
Yeah.
You're so beautiful. I don't think so. You need makeup. Do you?
That's very sweet of you, Shivan, but I do a little bit.
We are from the same place. We were born in Delhi, and yes.
And yeah, so like I think we clicked on the very first day, and he celebrated my birthday like how, and we went crazy, and it was so good.
Yeah, and if you wanna gift, if you wanna gift Radhika, you can send on TV. Yeah. So
If you want to give something to Shivan, you
my birthday is like little far. Yeah. Don't worry.
still you can.
And Radhika, tell me something about your show.
Okay, so I'm finally coming back on air with Shakti, you know that, and as you gave us so much of love and you kept commenting on every picture of ours that we want you back, so we just fulfilled your wish, and the show's name is Chinta the Pangwan Himalaya, and do watch that show. It's fun, it's nice, you'll be able to relive the chemistry of me and Shakti, and I'm very excited for it.
And tell me something about your character. You're looking very cute in it.
Thank you so much, Shivan. And I'm just playing a small town girl from a very small village. So very simple, but at the same time, she cannot stand for something like she supports good, and she cannot see anything wrong in front of her eyes.
Like in short, you want to say that she's like Radhika. Yeah.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah. So in Hindi we say गाँव की छोरी. तो ये है हमारी गाँव की छोरी. Like she's a गाँव की छोरी. And hi Ankit. Hi, waiting for your ankle links. So yes, and she's getting ready for a surprise. And yeah, do watch Himalaya on 7th May only on TV Karen. Let's move and we'll talk to maybe Digangna if she's there. Come. Yeah, come. Hello, auntie. Namaste. How are you? So she is Digangna's mother, as you all know. And auntie, आपका experience कैसा रहा नेपाल में?
बहुत अच्छा लगा बेटा, बहुत अच्छा, पर तुमको मिस किया हमने, मैंने भी और दिगंगना ने भी। हमने भी
यहाँ पे बहुत मिस किया आपको, and we really missed her. She is Digangna's mother, beautiful as she is, has a long hair, and I'm sure it's and आंटी कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा नेपाल में और आपको इस शो के बारे में कैसा लग रहा है?
शो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, उम्मीद है सबको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। सब लोग काम बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं। नेपाल में बहुत अच्छा लगा, ठंडा था पर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था। मुझे तुम्हारी याद बहुत आ रही थी क्योंकि हमने वीरा में जिस तरह से काम किया था दिगंगना ने और तुमने, ऐसा लग रहा था कि तुम होते तो ज्यादा मजा आ जाता।
So we are reliving the Veera memories and I'm sure we are reliving the Veera memories and I'm sure that Himalaya show will be a big hit. आंटी क्या कहते हैं, हो जाएगा हिट?
100% हिट होगा।
So aunty is saying 100%, this show will be 100% hit and we are waiting for Digangna now. Where is Digangna? I'm sure she's changing and getting beautiful as ever she is. And let's go, and here we're gonna meet the superstar from India, my neighbor and my very good friend, Shakti Arora. Woo! So Shakti, how are you, bro?
I'm very good and I'm very excited for the show today.
First of all, welcome to Indonesia.
Thank you so much, Shivan.
Everyone like really loves you and asks you, where is Shakti? Where is Shakti? Kab aayega? When like so finally we have Shakti with us.
Yeah.
So how's your experience in Nepal?
Nepal was beautiful, very beautiful landscapes and snow mountains which I've never seen before in my life. We also did a helicopter ride over there, so that was very beautiful, very scenic. So it was actually a very amazing experience altogether, and we had lots of fun.
And you guys missed me.
Yes, of course we missed you. Actually, Shivan stays in my building, and
So we are neighbors and gym buddies.
Gym buddies too. Although we don't have great bodies, but
Yes.
still we are gym buddies.
No, we go gym like
Just to maintain.
we don't make bodies, yeah.
Yeah, we don't make bodies.
We
Yeah.
make characters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.
So actually now tell me about your show when it's coming and it's
So it's coming on 8th of May. The show's name is Chinta Di Pankwan Himalaya. And
on 7th we have a surprise.
7th we have a surprise. We have the launch of the show. So please don't forget to watch. And it's live, by the way, at
I'll tell you the time later. You have to wait for it.
Yes, we'll tell you.
So be patient, keep watching Antivi Karen for more updates and keep following everyone. Shakti, Ankit, Radhika, Digangna, Brunal, me, and what's the beautiful girl in your show? Malayu?
Aya.
Malayu?
Malayu Nicole Hall.
Okay, keep following her also, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll also follow her. So, keep watching Anteve Karen. Yeah, and I missed someone and I'm waiting for someone. The person is very dear to me and we all know her as Veera, my sister, yes, I know. So I'm waiting for her as always, you know, girls. So finally, Veera is here.
Hi.
So after
your-
1 year you're
after
here.
1 year, yes.
So tell me, how's your experience in this new show which is called Himalaya?
It's damn good, but I'm missing you for sure.
I'm sure I'm missing you too.
Yeah, हमने इतना we've like, I was gonna speak in Hindi. So we've like shot so many scenes together and we've done such a long show together. So you know there's this bond that stays and I've been missing that in this show. But then I know everyone else.
I'm
also
sure
is.
all the viewers are missing Veera, and through Veera they are lucky to have now you in Himalaya.
Yes, I'm very excited. It's a lovely show. I'm looking forward to it. There are a lot of new things coming up after the show too. So yeah, it's great. And everyone is a friend, so it's really fun on
So
this.
keep watching. You have a lot of things coming from Digangna,
Pankwan Himalaya.
Himalaya, and we have a surprise on 7th.
Yes, we have a very big surprise on 7th, so you need to stick around to TV and make sure you watch on TV because there's something really big coming.
Yes, so this is Digangna Suryavanshi, this is Shivit Narang. You all know us from Veera. Stars over here, we are superstars. But okay, watch us on Himalaya also. And keep watching Anteve Karen. Thank you so much. Can you hear the voice? So after meeting all the artists, we are going to a place which is very special and I'm sure you guys will love it. Come on. Wow! Wow! This is really wow! So we are preparing for a mega event, as you can see. And you can see a lot of beautiful girls dancing. And how are you? So we have all the preparations going on, all the beautiful people here, all the beautiful girls. I'm getting a lot of compliments as always. The voice has changed. I'm singing like a girl. So we are performing here, and you can see such a wonderful artist performing. And what a beautiful voice she has. Yeah, beautiful dance. I'm also trying next road. Not well today. So you can see this very colorful costume also. Hello, brother. You're looking great. What do you call in Bhasa? Ganting. Yeah, I'll try. Maybe next segment you can see me in this costume. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Why are you making hair like this? Are you from Himalaya? This is a Himalaya launch. Okay. So keep watching Ante with Karen for this mega event till the time. I'll go over there and dance.